Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset WordPress password from phpMyAdmin. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, sign in into your cpanel and scroll down and then click on phpMyAdmin. And now you have to open your website database. So here is so I'm going to click on this plus icon and now click on wpdb users, and after that click on edit, and here we can see the login username and login username password. So click here and select md5, and here is the password box. So you have to type your new password here, and after that, so I'm going to type here and then click on go, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. Thanks for watching this video.